Hello everybody. Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video to try and alleviate some confusion that's been going on with replacing the image for the Pimax. By default, when you turn it on, you get a little Pimax logo on a starry field. You can replace that image with a test pattern that makes it easier to adjust the IPD and the vertical offset for each eye and stuff. But basically what you need to do is copy in another JPEG into the Pimax runtime resource folder, call it Pimax_default, and that's what loads up instead. But you have to be really careful because the file name needs to match exactly. Can't have any different extension or any additional extensions. So if you take a look, you open up a Windows File Explorer and you browse into the default location where PiTool gets installed, which is C, Program Files, Pimax. This is the root of where the PiTool stuff is. We go into the runtime resource folder. Here we find the Pimax_default JPEG file, which gets loaded by default. Take a look at that. It looks like this little Pimax logo on a starry field. So what I recommend doing is, before changing anything else, just rename that file so that you still have it, but it's out of the way. So if we put an _01, you do have to give administrative privileges because this is in the program files directory and that's somewhat protected. So go ahead and click continue. That renamed the existing Pimax default image. If we reboot the computer now, the headset would come up and have no image. So at least that demonstrates that we're manipulating the files in the right location, but that doesn't help us get the crosshair or the test pattern yet. So you can download any image you want as long as it's the right resolution, and put it in that folder, call it that name, and you'll get it. The one I've been using has been posted here on the forums. You open it up, right click on it, and do save image as. It's by default going to be called Pimax default. It knows it's a JPEG image, and we're going to download it to our downloads file, our folder. Okay, so Chrome downloaded it. We go back to our Windows File Explorer. We go to downloads. Pimax default is the most recent file that I've downloaded. So if you right click, copy that file, and then we go back to the Pimax resource runtime folder, right click and paste. We need to provide administrative privileges to put it in this folder. Go ahead and continue. So now we have a file called Pimax_default that has the crosshairs. And if you look here in the photos banner, you can confirm that it's Pimax_default.jpg, not jpg.jpeg, not default_jpg, just Pimax_default.jpg. It's critical that the file name matches. So once you have that file in this folder, reboot the headset, you should see the crosshairs. So hopefully that works, and then we can move on to the other calibration as far as getting the eyes to line up and everything proper. So hope this helps. BitGirl, end stream.
Ending stream. Please remain calm.